What feel for come on in the morning here? What do you feel like? We have a hand. Like a Winnie and popcorn. See if you know out here. Good morning. Just drink my big cup of Milo. As I come on and freeze me up. Okobit. You know we call some girl Miss Okobit. Yeah. Just drink my big Milo. I feel like a big champion. I'm ready to thump up 2 face and go on. Bad, my bad. What do you feel like? I know, see, I saw it go. You got Madagascar. In that Friday, Jesus Christ. Run on. Dirty nigga. Apart from a fender. Don't I say that? Baby Q. That no good morning everybody. I like when my son and I look like when I'm ready for the weekend. Have a nice weekend. Don't know. Nobody not like Monday. Yeah, Oko. You know I'm a real baby mother already, man. What you do? Mash up me and you. Tell you you're wicked, man. Yo, God no. Yo. Tell you no love problem and war. Can't just make me just come on and be a Yeah, I don't know. Internet a freeze up like it's a freezing game. Like me have to come off and come on back down. You don't feel come down now. Come down now. Lie, which part of afternoon you come from? England. Anyway, we wanna go on with. We wanna go on with. We have a morning coffee already. We have a ginger tea with a load of garlic already. How are you? How are you doing? Let's talk. Lord. They me come on, me have to tell you son, I have to protect the youth them boy. Because I tell you sometimes I see something. What you doing this weekend? I'm doing you this weekend. That me doing. And I tell you now. When I have to deal with the youth them and protect the youth them, I say a little thing I go on the internet. And you know say contain an artist and him son. Kean wicked. I remember when I see it, I tell you I said John was star. Nobody know that ever save the youth them. Nobody know that ever save the youth them. And all of the man them will like go around and just fling them seed all about and get bag of pitney. See? All of the man them will follow me on that page. And if you're 40 and not get no youth, don't feel bad. Because when it comes on to children is a lot of work. It's a lot of work. And when I say it's a lot of work, sometimes me and the baby mother might not work out. See? Sometimes me and the baby mother not work out and the youth gone with the mother down on one part and you gone your separate ways. If you don't plan for the youth like 100%, like you take the youth 3 days out of the week or sometimes 4 out of the week, it's not a good thing to get a bag of pitney all about. I not the man who don't get them bag of pitney already. I just say it's not a good thing to get children where you can't afford to take care of physically and emotionally and mentally. You understand? Because where you will protect your youth from when you're dead, you can't protect your youth when you're not there. Like for instance, if your youth live in a different parish, like or a different state. You live in New York and your youth live in Atlanta. You can't protect your youth from New York when your youth in Atlanta. Zine, enough of we man, show a girl sexy and brown and look good, or she black and shape good. We say we want to fuck up her shape. You breed more and breed that, you know. Like you just have it in your mind, say you want to breed that. Yes, you breed her, and she come 9 months, pitney reach, 1 pitney reach, 2 pitney grow, all kind of things are going. You know that you just know say, yeah man, I'm a baby mother. Sending the money alone go give youth. Can't cut it. See? So the youth them now get no protection. See? Them say some woman know say the man pull out game weak, but she still go lay herself a certain way for get pregnant because she say, yo, the man eye them pretty. And she love him pretty eye them. And she like him bow leg, so she want to have a son with bow leg. And she want to have a daughter with pretty eye. And she like the man hear them because him braids them. Like the things that when me hear sometime, it wicked. See? So now the situation where me I see now, like, me realize the whole heap of people not talk about it. See? Because of how them feel about the artists. Enough people don't like the artists. So them have some whole heap of different thing for say. See, when it come on to the artists. Just leave the artists, your feelings towards the artist for a minute and we could discuss that situation. You see? Alright, the youth was 7 at the time. And this boy was 11. See? This boy was 11 and them say some molestation going off the youth. The youth got molested when he was 7. We don't know for how long him get molested, but the youth traumatized up to today. The youth try to kill himself a couple of times. Well, because people are brand him as a gay. And you don't know in the day in Jamaica, no, everybody. It's more right now, to be fair, I think it's more comfortable now when a guy come out and say, or him act certain way. But in them time there, when you're younger, I would heap of bashing you ever get. Seen? And when me I listen to the story, like, alright, Mr. Vegas buck up on this boy. When Mr. Vegas buck up on him, Mr. Vegas has talked to him before the camera, whatever, we just talk what we hear on the camera. He never did say nothing much. Mr. Vegas has said everything. Seeing? This man reach a foreign now, and Mr. Vegas find out where him live and reach him yard. When him reach him yard, him goes to Bam and Vegas ask him the question, ask him the question. So him start run now because him don't want to on camera. Enough people say Vegas should have just hurt him or harm him or do something to him like right there so. But Vegas is an idiot. Because you have to put your hand on him, you have to get in a problem. You putting yourself in a problem regardless of the situation. If it never on camera now, we couldn't see. If I after the fact now, but Vegas video him. It's a sad case because the people are bash Vegas same way and I say, oh, him and his son are same thing because this and that and that and that, which that is wrong. Nobody in a business about the youth. I know a brand the youth I get brand. Nobody in a business say the youth try kill himself a couple times. The youth try kill himself. Everybody does have the hatred towards Mr. Vegas, regardless of what he want to say, regardless of how he want to bring across or steal his son. What me say about it is, I don't think I would bring my son to the light here. I want to bring my son to the light here because right now the world knows say my son there in New York and the world know my son name and the world knows say my son did get molested and the world know everything about my pitney. And it nah go be a good thing ever again for the youth because now it happened before social media era. Now it's fresh to everybody, it's fresh to me, it's fresh to you, it's fresh to everybody. Because we think there's something that happened last week. We think there's something that happened last month. Regardless of how long it happened, you know, it's fresh to all of us. It's a fresh situation. Right? So now it's a new trauma now when this youth look on the internet and see him father name. When him see him father name, you go hear the headline say Vegas confront son over confront man who raped him son. Like one bag of headline I got there. And you go see all kind of something. So right now, them have to go watch the youth keenly. Because the youth are 19 now. See? And if him try commit suicide couple times already. See? If it happen couple times already, what you think gonna happen now? So, me feel like Mr. Vegas should have deal with it different. Him approach the situation ignorant. See? Because him ignorant at the time and he never did a think about the youth. Because knowing how them not to like you up on the internet. Knowing say you was a man with very outspoken because you beat where your brother name? The one from the country. What did I act like woman? Girly. Him beat him name Mr. Handsome. Remember Vegas beat him. And beat and said boy pedophile and one bag of something. So you see through him go do the whole of them something they know. It's like them have a hatred for him because everybody have them fans. Regardless of if your fans are junk or your fans are dark shit, your fans are everything. See? So through him go do that now. Beer people are use the opportunity to show it back in his face when him put it out. Because if he didn't put it out, if he never put it out, we wouldn't know. But what I say is no judgment. He might try defend him youth. Because how me would I feel if them molest my son? Me can't feel good. Probably me da deal it a different way. Because we talk things, you know. But for really take matters in our own hands when time for we do it. Me never, we like we see the camera come out and we see the brother. But how much are we really remember how the man look? How much are we really remember? We remember how Mr. Vegas look. Because we know Mr. Vegas that. But we don't remember how the man look. All him video the man and show it out on the man face. Remember the man go as far as do an interview now. The man do the interview and me I listen to the interview. And the man I say, I see him see the little boy and the next little boy in an uncompromising position. And him say him a go talk. Him say him a go talk and the little boy we are 7 say him a go give money for no talk. Me nah get that. A 7-year-old I tell you 11-year-old say. And you extort him for about 8 years straight. Him a fair bring money come give you. For 8 years straight, I saw you nice and kind as you hold that little boy's secret. So you see with the next little boy, me not buy that. Me not buy that. After me listen to that interview, me I say, 8 years you are extort him, say him a bring 2 bills and 3 bills come here. You are extort him. Eh? You are extort him. You are 11, that means you have more sense more than him. See? Because remember this, you know. A pathological liar, we are tell a lie and believe it. See? Him there in America, just married a child, sort out him papers, so him a worry about him wife. Think. Him a worry about if him wife are going to help him, because even on the same interview, he must say this thing. On the same interview, he must say right now, him wife they want to help him with him papers. See, and he must say, him tell Mr. Vegas where him there. So if him did molest the little boy, if him did molest the little boy, him only make Mr. Vegas meet him. See, Mr. Vegas same a plan for expose him long time and whatever. So the camera, him did a talk to Mr. Vegas, but when him see the camera, let me tell you this, I said me know me not do something. If me know me not do something, take out your phone and video me. Because remember, so once me on the camera, I can't take it off again. Him not say nothing on the camera for incriminate himself. See? But all me know say 7 and 11. You're 5 years older than this little youth, yeah. See? You say you see man and next little boy are going with things. You decide so you're extorting. The extortion something the way extortion the youth for much years, and then you have the youth number for years. You have the youth number for years. Why do you have his number for years? For all these years, you still have his number. Me still not understand that. Oh, you still have the little boy number for years. A 7-year-old I just take 300 US and all of them money there. Because him family have money and just bring 300 US come give you. Because him family have money. Then you run like, remember say, me listen to your interview and the interview now say, your back gun. Say Mr. Vegas back gun by you. So you lift up your clothes and you run. If me know me not guilty, me nah run. See, that's why I come on the live and I'm man if I make you know say, you have to protect on the youth. Some of the man them boy, yeah, pride on the woman them we have boy children, and Them have them little dirty ways and them dirty mentality and them little nastiness and them pride on the woman, them a single man of them we have son or pride on them we have daughter. That's why we have to be careful of who we bring in our home. Nothing wrong with being paranoid when it comes to your children and them if you're paranoid far. You're not supposed to be quick for your man become your daughter's stepfather. You're not supposed to glad for that because you don't know. Everybody have a past, but what kind of past them have? See, we're living in a world right now where a man run out of our community where him did lean and him living in another community now. He must say, nobody don't know me up here, so your name Port St. Lucie. Because everybody know about Florida, Port St. Lucie are like country. See? So you live at Port St. Lucie now, so you feel like, say, alright, enough people, you have all down at South Miami. Enough people live at South Miami. Remember South Miami, a 3 hours from Miami itself. See? So enough man go find some hiding spot down at them place because him find a woman where down at the side that she come from and him a do him thing and nobody don't know him escape from that something there. See? And me I tell you no, we have to wise and we have to listen to our children them when them talk. We have to listen to them. We have to listen to our children them when them talk. Seeing, we have to listen to our children them because we don't know about something happen and me no believe say that the little boy are the victim. This little boy are 19 now and him is a victim. Remember say right now in a search people are search for film picture now. True them have a vendetta against him father because they remember what his father done to them and when father said about them. So now them a try look for that little boy the picture. And remember them soon find him picture because he must have social media page. Them soon put it up on the internet because everybody have this clickbait business. Clickbait. Yeah, click. Nobody no business about the charmer with the youth face. I know him cause it upon himself. He was molested. And that's why enough youth now come out. That's why enough youth now come out because what if a youth get. So what you try to tell me say, a youth get molested and you blame him and call him a gay because them rape him, them take advantage of him, give him sweetie and give him bag juice and give him all kind of thing and promise him give him and all of them something there and pry upon him. I want to blame him for something where not him cause. You know how much big man I go through that right now. Nobody no rally for them. Man I tell you say, oh you born gay. Enough youth are molest them make molest. Enough youth. And nobody no there to sympathize with them. So them just say, alright, and go down in that field. Remember we don't come on live like we are idiot, you know. See? Because remember again, me is a father, me is a man deal with my youth them, and I love my youth them. And I always listen to my youth them first. See? Me have to listen to my youth them first. You have to make it as comfortable space for your youth them can come to you, come talk to you. Your youth them supposed to say, alright, them not listen to me at school. But me know my mother go listen to me, or me know my father go listen to me. First thing a father hear say him son get ready, disassociate yourself like don't flick a girl. Get caught, she fall in love with a youth. And when she fall in love with the youth, the first thing she goes to mama and go do, she go have sex with him and him take out him phone and video her. Because she trusts him. And she get video and perform oral sex on him and she send it go show him friend them. Remember, you know, are your daughter. See? Are your daughter. And the first thing as a father, when you see your daughter go somewhere in an uncompromising position, where you do it, this one your daughter. Enough band do it. Enough artists in the music do that. This one them daughter because them daughter get caught on a video. Enough artists. Enough people in a society. Enough people because them say, oh, my daughter not associated with her, but you not understand, say. She get comfortable with that person and trust that person and that person betrayed her trust. I remember love me could do some things, you know. Love me could do some things more time. We do it out of love. See? So the first thing we do is cast judgment. And them always tell us if you live in a glass house, don't throw a stone. Not because your daughter get caught in a position and you feel embarrassed. Think about your daughter first. Leave yourself out there. Because them say, yeah man, Richie feelings daughter. Because Richie name I go call first. Richie feelings son. So want to that person, they want to the suicidal rate where I go on to Jamaica. Nobody no business about that. How much little youth are hang themselves because of things that happen to them. These are things that we have to look upon. We must stop cast judgment because none of we not perfect. We must stop cast judgment. I remember telling you something, I want to listen to that party because that party is serious. Sending your child to a girl's home or a boy's home will only make your child worse. No for no have some little girl where force ripe and them well want go take man and them want go catch gal and them want go do all of these things. Do not send your child to a foster home. Don't send your child to a girl's or a boy's home. It's going to make them worse. And why I say this, let me explain. When they go to this place, you have boys there are 13 and 14 that killed somebody before. You have girls there that burn up somebody before. You have girls who did away in all kind of thing, will take jug before and all of them something before. Your little child does a move, I show some tantrum where I want simple thing where we can deal with. So when you send your youth to them place, them are going to buck up and worse. So it's only like a grow them to get worse. Boy, it's like a prison you send them gone because like them can leave and come out by themselves. You say you send them there for 2 years. That 2 years they would have been the worst time of them life because guess what? Them now them want a place now, them now them want a game, them now them want this. Only thing you can go visit. That prison them gone. So do not give up on your youth and say, I can't bother with him. I can't bother with him. I can't bother with her. Send her away. So how you sleep comfortable at night time if you know say you not have the control over your youth anymore. You used to wake up and see your child over the in the corner there. In the room there, you and your child asleep in the same one room. On the same little bed. And your child gone. We don't have St. Elizabeth, we don't have Mobile, we don't have one part. And you have to take a bus or you have to drive or whatever you have to do to reach to your child every month end. Lose your child, so you know. You have lost your child. So take my advice and do not give up on your youth and talk about you can't bother. And you have the youth, so you're supposed to can't bother. From you go through how much labor, somehow you go through 3-4 hours with a labor. With all of the contraction them and all of the something them. From you can go through that, you can't deal with the youth. Enough away. And we give up on the youth and the youth just give up on himself. You hear me say? Enough away and we give up. Because we never fight enough. We say we're tired. You can't too tired when he's a parent. All of the girls them want to breed yet. From you know ready for that something here. Just take all of the contraceptive them till you can't take no more. Take them and take them and take them. Protect yourself because it take a lot to be a mother. And not just Mother's Day picture and maternity shoot. Right? And not just that is a lot more. You have to can make cream of wheat, cornmeal porridge, oats porridge. You have to can make all of these things. Right? And I just throw cereal in a cup and you pick me a do twin pitcher. And I just that alone. I won't even take, especially now. So if you don't have the children yet, make everybody go to and say, yeah man, she can't breed. And it go for the man them too. If you can't afford to take care of yourself, or are you going to take care of a child? Remember, say you hear what going up at children's hospital. You have your youth and your youth have wheeze, your youth have asthma, your youth have pneumonia, your youth have this, your youth have that, and you have to be at hospital. And when you go to children's hospital, the first thing them say, souse down the child, give her some salt water. Salt water, them give the pitney. Salt water. So if you're not ready to go through that stage there, just continue to live your best life. The easiest life you live when you go and take care of yourself. It's not easy to take care of you. When you talk about back to school, and let me give you a little information. Let me give you a little information for everybody who look out for it. Spice now keep not treat this year. There's no back to school treat this year. So everybody where they are Jamaica where they depend for go join the long line and go cuss and kick down on one another and fight over the voucher them. Like on a stab rear last year and go on with a bag of thing last year. You don't have to worry, it not keep. Right? It not keep. So everybody where I look forward to it, Spice is busy and she can't control this year. So I'm gonna live out this year and next year and get it. Okay? So God go we don't know. So everybody where I expect a little give back, then a little niceness, then a little freeness there. When I've got to find somewhere else. Because remember every year you bash her and talk all kind of things. Every year. So this year, better want to say she broke and she not have it. And she popped down. Better want to say that. Zin? Yeah. So back to this molestation of the youth then. Most of these predators are family friends, are family members, they are aunts, they are nieces, they are nephews, they are uncles. right? Most of these predators, they are not strangers. They are somebody that's close to the family. Somebody that's so close that the family trusts them with them life. And enough of the children, them come to their parents and say, uncle this and uncle that. And the first thing the parents they do, tell lie and or scold the child and say the child is lying. If your child come to you and tell you, say, Uncle Roy touch me in an appropriate way where I don't like, he touched me very inappropriately, it felt weird, because that you have to do, make you them speak to you freely. Make your youth can feel comfortable and compelled to come to you and say, Mommy or Daddy, this happened at school today. Because remember again, you see school and church and all of the place them where we're supposed to have these nice, sophisticated, educated, God-fearing people. These places are the places that all of these crosses happen. And somehow you love sending a pitney at people yard too much. Somehow you want to go outside, go entertain a man, or you want to go entertain a woman that's going to leave on a child and say, yeah man, a good people them over there. The lady might be a good woman, but her son is a predator. The lady, some of them might know them son are going with and them know them son problem, but two of them son, them not give up on them son, them love them son. So why you have give up on your son? Why you must give up on your father? Why you must give up on why you must give up on your little daughter? Why you must do it? You don't like sending no picnic because you don't want to go enjoy yourself. Boy, a long time you don't get a little time. Anyway, your picnic can go with you, you're not supposed to want to go. Yes, you deserve your time. But make sure your youth are right first, because you go skin out and take have the picnic. You go skin out and do the whole of something there. So find the time and make sure your youth are right. Always remember to listen to the youth. First lie no found to tell the picnic them first tell. The first lie what the picnic tell. Somebody come and call and you tell your daughter or your son, say, tell him say, I'm not here. Tell her say, I'm not here. And the little boy or the little girl just go up and say, she says she not for tell us she not there. That's one of the first lie we tell. And then you beat the pitney and say, stop tell lie. When you tell the child to tell that lie. You are the one that told this child to tell this person who came and called them that you were not there. And the child repeated everything that you said exactly how you say it. And you boof the child number. Boof. And lick the pitney. So you first done the pitney in a liar. Because remember them said children live what them learn. Remember them said children live what them learn. And not found no guilty because you don't know say true. Zine, and one of the biggest problem again where I go on boy, not found because you know say people live a foreign and meet them online. When you introduce them to the pitney and turn them in an auntie and uncle, you know what type of people them is a foreign. But true the sister them live a foreign and them can bring some things and them can bring M&M's and them can bring Kellogg's, you know want barrel, you know want send pitney size, you know send everything. Remember say no, remember your child come first. Things where you would not do for your child and somebody is willing to do it. Remember, nobody no blood clot kind so. Nobody no kind so. Because a whole heap of people are suffer on the internet. Whole heap of people. See? But you don't want tablet. You don't tell the people if you tell the lady say you don't want tablet. You don't tell the people if you tell the man say you don't want your iPad. When I tell the people say she must ask for your iPhone. What she do with her iPhone? What she do with her iPhone? But true so licky, when you broke the pitney if it comes the same way. The child is innocent, you know. Because one of the worst things is like when a child come and I beg, you know. One of the worst things, if you want to get me upset, make a little youth or come beg me. You know if you beg. You know if you beg. Allow people to give you. Just like how you found the big people stay. You don't allow people to give you something. Because just through somebody come from foreign, you expect say these persons supposed to give. All them come from foreign. Simone, you come from foreign, you don't give you nothing. Simone just come with her too long on. Then that's how we are going to just go up on the road and Simone not even bring something for we wear. Eh? Tamara just come and just come so. Eh? Then I wish you there foreigner do. I wish you where that come from. And you chat the girl. You chat the girl, you know. You chat the girl go, you chat the girl right, and you chat the girl left, and you chat the girl go everywhere. You and the people them go some and have all the good vibes. And it costs them more than when them go out and resort. Because everybody in the household who don't eat KFC, because we all know some people don't eat KFC until it's birthday time or special occasions. Every 4 months KFC eat. And when time Tamara come, or when time Trevor come, Trevor fear buy buckets of chicken. Nobody no remember if he cook again. Nobody no remember if he cook again. Every minute when I send come, go on to your auntie, go on to your auntie. And I send the little girl and the little boy. Simone come to Jamaica if come ease her stress and a be stress she come in pan. Be stress she come into. Be stress. You can't be the beggar and make your son and your daughter come be a beggar. Me not like it. And not because you see somebody a drive a car. That no means say them have money. Not because you see a person a drive a car no means say them rich. People are struggle to put gas in that. You know what people are drive pan 80 miles left. Because them a drive and I look on the speedometer. And I look and I say, wait, 80 miles left. And $1,000 gas can't go in a vehicle. Eh? People have them good work and true foreigner come, them take time off. So what kind of what's so? What's so there? Are you one place that you can take vacation so as your people are come from foreign? Eh? And you expect to get this and you expect to get that? I'm telling these people, nobody no mean. Everybody have somebody where them kind to. Nobody no mean. So all them a tell about, oh, them not give you prayers. Them not tell nobody when you did give them. Them not tell nobody when you did give them. I'm going to tell you this. An ungrateful person, no care what you do for them, it have come like you never do nothing yet. You could have talked about it, look more, say, remember, me to give you brief, me to give you underpants, me to give you shoes, me to give you socks, me to give you the belt where you have on, me to give you the shirt, me to give you the top. Them going to say, you're going like it's $1 million you give me. Them are going to make what you give them come like nothing. Ungrateful girl will come where you give them ear, you give them your drawers, you give them your shorts, you give them everything. And them take it and them give everybody else. Because them I look name out of you. Because when you come, barrel come. When you come, barrel come. Big styling go on because you bring ear for them. Because everybody know when a woman come from foreign as a top girl. Or as a girl who used to things. She have to bring things for wear. And when she bring things to wear, she never want you look like Jankro and she look good. So she have to put on things and make you look, you know, bring even 1, 3, 4 piece of clothes for you and, you know, 1 piece of hair for you put on your head. She have to bring the things them come. See? But not because she bring something come give you have to feel like so you must not know the value of it and give it away. That's why them tell us, say, don't give away your aisle. Don't give away your aisle. And not everybody will have access to your energy. And not everybody. And everybody, like if my virgin come from foreign, you think me expect say him to come carry me go have drinks? You think me expect say him to come carry me and make me and him go a taboo? You think me expect him to come carry me for me and him go a Jollies or up a Elsha? You think me expect him to carry me go a Duns River? Me live at Jamaica with everything there. So why me for wait till as a foreigner come? Me want go all of them place there. And me tell you this. Somehow no girl, when I mash up on our family. Somehow the girl mash up on a family. And somehow the man too. Because when a family come and I go out, I don't want the whole community go with them. The whole community don't have no money. When a family have to buy chicken, she have to pay for 10 and go in the venue. She have to buy liquor for the whole 10 and you not consider it. And when you see when the family face make up and when you sit down and chat with the family, when you sit down chatting with the family, and when you see nothing wrong with it, she have it. She a nurse. She have it. She a manager which part you work. So you not consider say, you bring down your family just for people full them belly for you look big. That's why when them are done in the community and I say you're big and careless and you worthless and attack everything bad boy you, your family not feel no way. Because the same people them you bring for name out your family, them end up on that dig out your eyeball, you want big idiot girl. Because you sit down and I say she come and a dish she bring. You don't want to see what she have on. Then that look good. That not look good. I don't know what that she have on. You chat your family left, right and center. You don't appreciate people until them stop dealing with you. And when you realize that them really stop dealing with you, them time don't have the world to say. Where I deal with my DJ Mario? Zane, remember all heap of things we see, you know. Because aid me is an observer. I watch everything. And when I say I watch everything, means not a scornful person. I watch everything. Everything. I watch how family go on when other people come from foreign. Because you see a person where used to things and have things, them are going to dress back, so they're not going to play in a bass role. People used to things that's going to just, you know, relax and watch. And we don't watch food. Because you see food is something where you have to shit out back. So food is something where nobody, don't watch food, no cuss over food. Here we may have a problem with now. You know say you don't name so much. And we go to one restaurant. And when we go to the restaurant, normally you would eat chicken. Or the blood clot you order shrimp and chicken plus side order plus breadstick plus salad bowl. Your table alone have every fucking thing on it. And me are the one when used to things and you are order, you are over order. You know, use your conscience and say, boy, you know, a 6 hour day and I know I don't have no money. I know my cousin I do it, or I know my friend I carry out. Why me I go and order so much things? You order the blood clot things them and I carry back for all people. And you not pay $1. The bill come to 30,000-40,000 and you don't have 50 cents. So you think say, I use the people them. You think say I use the people them, you dirty blood clot. Right? And you feel say something good that you do. You don't use your conscience because you say somebody come from foreign. Or oh, I remember one time, me and a girl a friend. And our friend choose my name Richie feelings. Automatically me rich. Automatically me rich. Girl of them top man there know. So we are wait so long. Oh, you not beg him nothing yet. Oh, you not beg him nothing yet. First mindset that this girl have, you know. Oh, you not beg him nothing yet. Oh, you not beg him nothing yet. So she want come friend me now. Cause she want beg me something. Like she don't know, say them not tell her about Sanja's son. Them not tell her about Sanja's son. When she goes up and DM me. When the girl DM me, you know. And I come talk about, wow, I'm rich like me know the girl from now. I don't know the girl. Come on, wow, you can't go on here. Me I look at me and say, me never chat to that girl yet. All of a sudden she tell me, oh, me can't go on. Me not go on, pan you, me don't know you. So me just say, me not like people. Me not like people, yeah? Me don't know you from nowhere. Me not like people. So me don't know you coming out. Here no, mer. You hype the door. You hype the door. You hype the door. She lucky me never tell her to suck her parents. And that she lucky for. Because she come like say when she look, she see some dollar sign over my head top right or so. I like how my head stay already like she see some dollar sign. Like, girl, you know who you are rampant, girl. You know who you are rampant. Eh? If you can come name out me. Alright. Remember say, you know, we not knock nobody from them hustle. We not knock nobody from them hustle. So as long as you are working honest living, go and go do what you have to do. I look pan Pink Wall yesterday and I see a video with Dovey. So she open a shop. Big up yourself, Dovey. Dovey Magnum. Big up yourself. Remember me and you used to go to everything and I don't know how I go on. But big up yourself. Me looking at the comment them and I see some girl a beat her, kill her. And I say how she get deported and how she this and how she that and them a batter her. Remember me see, if a fair shop, because I don't think I would have prank say a fair shop, because nothing wrong with owning a shop. Nothing wrong with owning a shop. But to the way how I see some girl in the comment a beat her and I say, move your dirty blood cleat and them dip you and you used to text it from people. I know say sometimes your past will come back come haunt you. Yes, David used to beat people and deal with people wicked. But everybody deserve a second chance. You understand? And sometimes when we dip on the IAS, we have to drop off first and chip up. And know so we have to humble and deal with the ass good. Just like how we have to know how to deal with people, because the same people where you pass going up, you will pass them going down. So, Duffy, if the shop there year one, it's stuck out. Because I look at it and I say it's stuck out. Big up yourself. As long as they not come boy, you come sit down and beg nobody, because it's rough boy. Too much people on the internet are beg taps and roses. So if you are beg support to come support your shop, I want to say it there. Me personally will come drive, come around and come buy. You hear me say? Me personal will come around and come buy. Because I like see when people are trying. I know this is what you did have before. You understand? A whole heap of people who know they have money. Remember, say it's not how you start, it's how you finish. You understand? So, I know say Dovey rub enough away wrong. Remember, say Spice are my friend, you know. Remember, Spice are my friend. Remember that. Remember, Spice are my friend. You understand? Remember, my friend. And you hear me, I tell you, say, me no business what she say about Spice already. Me no business about none of that. Me will support her. Because when you're at Jamaica, Jamaica is not an easy place to live, especially when you have, like, a man can not up in here and grow it and turn it in a rasta and all of them something, but a woman need her makeup, she need her wig, she need to upkeep herself. You understand? She need to upkeep herself. So, kudos to Dovey. And a survivor, I don't know if he survive. So a big move that. The girl them wear bash Dovey. And next thing again, big up Dovey. Mackerel buy a car. Mackerel buy a car. And she post it. And enough congratulations she get. While you have some people that make joke about, oh, she see for jive because one hide this and one hide this. So like people in a Jamaica and all about in the world always make fun of people with a disability. Always have a problem and try bash people because them things are them perfect. Remember say Mackerel claim to fame was people man nice. Right? And them beat her up at half a tree. And that's how Mackerel go viral, you know. Mackerel are one of the first viral video them where go viral. She have a daughter, she and her mother go at it. She go to England, she go Canada, she go all about because she go viral. Right? She come off of the radar, she come out back pregnant, lose a pitney there, come out back again have another pitney. See? Because nobody don't know what you do if you don't show them what you do. So she put up a little car. You know what it is to own a car? It takes a lot to own a car, and it takes more than a lot to maintain the car. So big up yourself, Mackerel. Remember, we live in a society where bring down we deal with. Bring down go viral more than anything else. Bring down, that people deal with. May I bring him down? The boy Richie have to go down. May I bring him down? Nobody never celebrate your wins them yet. Always your losses and your crosses are that them jump on and go on pan. Mackerel, I never chat to you yet. I don't know you from nowhere. I just see you go viral. And I'm glad to see when a girl step up and a strive and I do them. Big up all of what that's something I wanna get on TikTok, the money I wanna make. I wouldn't say it's free money because we have to entertain people. I would not say it's free money. That's not free money. Because if you have to make yourself a macro for over for 2 hours or 3 hours and you will get paid for that, that's a job. If you have to turn yourself in a clown for feed your family, that's a job. So, me not have a problem with nobody on TikTok. And the one them will come on now every 2 words, them say out of them mouth, I beg something. Them a beg something, them a beg something, them a beg something, them a beg something. Me a beg you a lion. Me a beg you this, me a beg you that. Because remember, you know, all we stay any wagon we are going, we are going to jump on it. We are going to jump on the wagon. So them jump on the TikTok wagon. And that are going right now. And it show you again people mindset. Big up everybody will build on a room at them yard. Big up everybody will buy a car. Big up everybody will furnish out them house off a TikTok. Big up everybody will do all of these things. All of these things because I wanna do it, and not me. Like me not have that pay. Like me I only can read right, so I can talk for 2 hours, but for me you go say me I go dance and me I go on with that kind of like me not think some could do it. Me not think some could do it. But if you have to do it, you have to do it. So big up all of you. But again, 9 to 5, big up everybody will have them job. You get up, big up everybody with their work right now. Presently, big up all who is at your job right now. Whether you drive a truck, whether you do Uber Eats, whether you work as a RN, CNA, like any one of them work the way you do, whether you work as a cleaning lady, as a cleaning man. See? Where's a curly low? Play some tune over there. Zine, big up everybody where I do your thing. Because remember, you know, we have too much people where do this. More than people who want assistance to really work. Yeah. Strike, big up yourself. See? Big up all of you where I do nothing. And if you work from home, big up all the people them where I try like, you know when I realize now like the online business them kind of get low now because enough people that I never was them passion. That I never was them passion. That was when the place locked down and them say oh online business. So big up all who still have your online business and it a go on. Big up all who do something else. Because remember this one thing me know. You see if you live a nice life, you have to work hard. To live a nice life, you have to work hard. There is no off days. When you get a day off, sometimes you wish you get another shift. And now when you get another shift, you say, I'm tired, but me need this. But one thing me I tell everybody. One thing when me I tell everybody. Don't just work and not enjoy the fruits of your labor. Don't see something that you want it. Like if you see a Gucci bag or a Louis bag. Or Prada bag or any one of them bag there. And you feel like say you want to buy it. Don't think twice to buy it. Buy it because you work hard. You hear me say? You work hard. So must always treat yourself and don't cheat yourself. You don't want to buy things to everybody else. You know how much I want to have this big long list to go back to school. I want to say, my niece, me have 5 nieces. Me have 7 nephew, me have 10 auntie, me have 6 uncle, me have 4 brother, me have I wanna pack up one bag of one big barrel or 2-3 barrel come to Jamaica a year time because you say your family, your family, your family. Nobody don't know if you have broke your back. Nobody don't know if you're too earthy. Nobody don't know if you eye them, the bag them on their eye lack of sleep. Nobody don't care about that. Nobody don't call you and ask you how you do. You have to always make sure you take care of yourself first. If you not take care of yourself, you get fucked. Because them are always have a next victim to go to, you know, regardless of your family, you love them and everything, but you have to love yourself more. If you feel like you alone want to go on a vacation, go on the jump, go on it. If you want to go to Dominica, if you want to go where the next place named Puerto Rico, if you want to go anyone that place them where you want to go. If you want to take up yourself and you alone go to Dubai, go on to Dubai because you work hard. What you going to do? Just work for maintain every family member. Boy, I have to send this because my sister asked me for this with back to school. Every blood clot here you help people with back to school. And the one here when they say you have it, them say, boy, when me want help from family, I can't get it. Don't come suck with. You hear me say, man? The one time when you say you not have it and not now go, you know how much family that mash up. You do it 17 years straight. And the 1 year when you say, yo, you kind of have it hard right now, not now go on. Nobody not say you can't have it hard. Nobody never asks you, oh, your bills them pay yet. Everybody I say, yeah man, you go, the son go on to live a foreign man. Or son go on to go on like better than people, man. Boy, when me need my help, when help me, never see nobody for help me yet. You ever hear that word there yet? Them a come try guilt trip you. Guilt trip on the mama. You think nobody can guilt trip me? I tell you to go suck out on yourself. You hear me say, man? When you get your pay yourself. See it there? She and her there. I send my sister some money last month. And this week she asked me for back to school money. See it there? Yeah, man. When you get your salary, make sure you pay yourself. Always make sure you pay yourself. Yeah? Always make sure. Pay yourself. Treat yourself. Go out, stop at one place and sit down and just enjoy a nice meal by yourself. God, remember, say if someone will wait for people to carry out, we're not going to go out here. Enjoy the fruits of your labor. You don't even have to have a car for just nice. Because remember, say that's why they have taxi. You don't have to own a car. No follow people. Nobody run down, nobody go, them have car and where this and that and that. Commute on the bus and the Uber and the InDrive and all of these things. On the lift. Do all of them something there. Enjoy your own company. You buy things for everybody. You pack 2 barrel and 3 barrel. Watch this. A barrel come in December. Summer again you send a barrel. So you send 2-3 barrel a year time. Because Easter come and you send all suitcase. Anybody where you come down you send things. If you check the amount of money where you send come to Jamaica in a year, you could have a big house of foreign. And you there pay blood clot $2,500 a month and them they all live for free. You pay them light bill of foreign. You pay them rascal water rate of foreign. You pay everything. You stay from everywhere. Auto pay. You come out of your money and pay bills to people. Don't go like una idiot people. Me I tell you no, don't go like una idiot. Sometimes you have to lose some people to see where you're there and where you did do wrong. And you see we as man, original brown skin, all tight. You see, we as man, some are we as man, and all are we. Some are we as man. What happened to when you send a container box every other month? Jesus Christ. A big wholesale you have, boy, because you send a container box. Big wholesale you have. But remember, say, let me touch upon the topic and tell you how it go now. With we as man. Because I always talk it. Man lucky, you know. When you hear some man talk about them, I wait for breakthrough and if them reach this one, when them reach this one, when them reach this one bag of thing. Some of we as man get opportunity and we don't know what it look like. Sometimes we would is a blessing and a curse. We would. Because you say we would make we reach some places in life where actually we know make we would work with our mind. We just make we would work by itself. Because we fear use we would and our mind together. And why I say that now is we meet a woman, the woman like we. And the woman says, boy, she know she's more fortunate than us. That's me as the man. And first thing, we come off good with conversation and we say the right word to them and the woman say, no man, see a man with potential, yeah. See a good man, yeah. I want somebody in my life like that man, yeah. First thing the woman do, because she hears say we live around one road. We could have live around one yard where the bathroom out the door and 13 and we live in the yard and She had planned to visit, but when she video called, she said, out the door, I left the phone in the house and I gone outside and gone bed. Right away, she has said, no, I'm not liking this, because, you know, I'm living in America. And I'm living in America, and I'm not used to this outside bathing thing. People got to know when I'm taking a shit. I gotta have to change this guy's life. And he looks so ambitious, you know. And the woman says out the door me a shit, and everybody know me a shit, and everybody knows say me just use the bathroom. Everybody knows say me just bathe. Everybody know me and people in the yard fight over line space. Me and people in the yard fight over clothespin. Dirty June, where you do? Thief my clothespin? Am I clothespin them this mark with the red, green and gold? Hey girl, you go dead over my clothespin. Me a June in her face. June in her eye over clothespin. Me a fight say people use my toilet paper. How blood clot use my toilet paper? Eh? How use my blood clot toilet paper? And them something there, and she said, oh my God, no. I don't like this for Richie, you know. I don't like this. No, babes, come on. And she said, babes, come on. She come to Jamaica and she meet me, and you want anything? All of a sudden, I want everything. I want the whole world. Whole world, moi. Whole world. Woman bring 3 suitcases of foreign, from foreign come. 3 suitcases. The woman bring come, yo, she bring everything come. This and that, that and this. Yo, she bring onion, she bring fruit at the loop, she bring polo. Yo, me have boxers where me never ever even dream for wear, because I see them on the TV all the while. Me have had some boxers that be old, and them one time me I wash it, everybody all I say, I'm holy brief them. Crutches out all the waist. Big things. And she goes about man change my life. Me never get 3 dozen boxers yet. See, never get 3 dozen boxers yet. And me get 3 dozen boxers one time. I just change boxers, and me have white, me have blue, me have orange, me have pink, me have every color. Whoa! Me have Ian shirt, I just change white shirt. I go, so the woman go in a Walmart and buy everything for me, murder, whoa. Me have all type of pants. Me have all type, yo, me barrel me get. And remember she come in and I put a fuck on it, fuck it, right, you all the night, Joe, mother now. Cause she say, oh my God, the dick is good, whoa. Call her friend them, I think I'm going to be moving to Jamaica soon. I found my soulmate. Oh, I'm balling name Richie. Whoa, I love Richie so much. Whoa, you ball over me. Don't want to take care of me about me be clothes. Where am my problem now? Me not an ambition. Ambition me not have, because the woman want to move me out. And first thing me I say, yo talk about yo, me have to there on here so with my dogs them, you know. You talk about if I live with Portmore and which every day. Yo, we are come, yo, I want to, I can't stay far from my brethren them. I can't stay far from my brethren them. And we are say, mama, yo, talk about moving, yo, me can't pay no rent. And she said, Richie, don't worry, baby, I will pay the rent for you. I will pay the rent for you. Cha, mommy, yo, John, mommy. Woman goes about my rent place, furnish it out. Portmore, me live gated community. Whoa. All of a sudden when the woman come, the woman's big king size bed, dresser, flat screen pan wall, clothes in a closet with iron board, and me have my clothespin them, and my clothespin them, me have the big plastic one them, and me have the board one them. Me have bare things. Me nice washing machine around the saw dryer. Me nice. But what me don't want to do? I don't want to elevate. Every day I want to do the same level. If you think the woman tell me, say, if I try, I don't want to do this, I don't want to do that. The woman push me till she push me down to blood clot. The woman push me till she push me down. Remember me I come from fighting over clothespin and toilet paper. How blood clot use my fab? Remember that's where me I come from, who use my fab, you know? Bet some blood clot fuck up one of you. Me have to fuck up one of you. When I use my blood clot fab, me just put my fab, and my fab the right so I want to take up my blood clot fab. Chushum clash and back a fling and beating and go on. Me I fight against myself because nobody not tell me who chop my fab. And gone in a gated community. Nah, no blood clot and mission. Everything me I find problem them. The woman used to come to Jamaica, me I fuck it right through. Me no bother want fuck it again because more girls see me now. More girls see me and me look good. Remember, you know? More girls see me and me look good. The same girl them whenever look upon me with the corner of them eye, all of a sudden them start tell me about Richie nice, see? Want me Richie? You can't buy me a special. See me a pocket full of money because remember, Mama give me bare money, me can't out of money. Bare money me have, me just squander money I go where so every corner me go up and like I'm made done for the community. Mama say she want come to Jamaica, she want stop take taxi. She want stop take taxi and me forgot take out license. Mama make me take out a license. Car that me go rent, boom rent off, right off people car, mama have to pay back for it everything. Yo, mama take me up, yo, God no. All I girl them now look for me all of a sudden be a girl me start fuck. Woulda work. When mama come to Jamaica, me nah fuck mama. Cause my mama come to Jamaica for the wood and the water. One name special, rum and boom, Appleton and boom. That's called special. Anything when they mix the liquor with, they call it a special. They get it in a cup. See? My mama come to Jamaica, me nah fuck mama. Nah, give mama no wood, no water. You used to sleep and I got mama kiss up mama, go and be a icky pa mama neck. Mama have all 7 icky, be a icky road so like chain. All pan her jaw, me all put all icky. Mama come to Jamaica. Wicked Rika. Mama come to Jamaica. Turn me back, give mama. See me, I turn me back, give mama so. I thought me can't bother. Remember AC where I sleep in a blanket after me a fan of mosquito off of me. And some used to have to spin the fan so. Some used to have to spin the fan. Some used to have to spin the fan, you know. Some used to have to spin the fan. See me, I spin the fan so. Now me have AC I turn on. Peep, peep. Cool. Put it on 16, put it on 18. Put it on spin so. Make it stand still so. And that blanket me asleep. Freeze me a freeze. All mama need is me to stand up like a man. Fling fuck on her when she ready. Fling fuck on it. Nah get no fuck. Nah get no fuck. Me I complain how me tired. Remember you know. Not even walk me out no way you know. Me not even walk no way. Me not even walk no way. Mama take care of me ritual in a night, Joe. Seeing? And me a fuck girl in a scheme. Me a fuck girl out there so. Remember mama not have no pitney. And mama go hear some me breed girl. Remember you know? No girl never look for me all of a sudden. Mama see video on internet, girl a throw word over me. Girl a throw up on status. Girl a throw up word on status. Him fuck you, but him love me. Miss pretend to be my future guarantee. Yeah. Miss Hollywood, my body good. And at them, and mama just look and I say, is that my Richie? That is really my Richie? Remember mama used to have video call me. Mama used to have video call me. And I go on. Me I tell mama say my son call her back. Me I get a call. Yo, my phone used to dry one time all of a sudden now. Birthday come, mama send me things and I start me out and everything. All of a sudden, mama want to come for birthday and me I tell her, say, me have a place to go. Me I go busy because me and my dogs, them I go out. Mama say, wait, what go on? What go on? What is Richie really doing? Remember, 2 girls at some place. Friend mama get mama Instagram angle. And I tell mama, say, see it ya? Him there with Petrina. Him there with Samantha. Lisa breed film. First thing mama do, stop paying the rent for the place. First thing mama do, I say, okay, I will get over you. It's gonna be hard. It's gonna be hard, but I will get over you, Richie. Fuck you, Richie. Fuck you, Richie, you ungrateful bitch, you. Stop paying the rent. Internet cut off. Mama, you know, say the internet bill for pay. Yeah, I know. I know. Mama, you know, say the light June. I know. Light cut off. Mama, you know, say the food around, I know. Everything mama give him. I know. Till him go somewhere wake up one morning and I look and when him look him see mama, no picture of the pan mama something. Mama black him and him don't know. Mama black Richie, you know. Mama black Richie. I don't know say I black him yet. I say, yo, I see mama picture gone over to him cousin yard and I say, look if you see Cheryl. Look if you see Cheryl by your something Cheryl that up there and I put up. And big things and big stuff that she put up. Mama know the song them. Amen. Get the boy out of me life. Amen. And I go on. Crocus bag a thing. Him buy a chip and call mama. Mama say, oh, you get this number, black him again. Man black Richie and 37 number. Man buy be a chip. All him fair though. Fuck mama have ambition. Stand up as a man. Every time, everything. Mama you know say the soap done in the yard. Mama you know say the rice done. Mama you know say you nah fuck mama. You nah do nothing at all. Because the greatest thing you're supposed to do, I do what you start out to do. Fuck mama. Tell her how you care about her. Treat her the right way. Make mama alright. You make mama cut you off. The boy Richie is an idiot. Because if mama can afford to buy you or pay your rent a month time, you think say mama could have put down her money for save to make you and her buy a house together. But sometimes I just ambition we just have one mindset. Some of we just want to put yourself in a position for fuck like a pum pum. Some of we man can tell you that. Enough man all up and feed them mind yo me have to fuck that girl. Yo wait man till me thing get turn up me I fuck that girl. And there is more to life than just fucking one pum pum. Because after you fuck it you go say but it's not all that. Cause remember mama where you there with now, she have the best pum pum you know. And I'm telling this age now, I'm not to do with anything, so I don't want nobody come tell me about a chow she a big woman and chow me young and this. I don't want blood clot hear that. I don't want to hear that. If you get an opportunity, you have to take the opportunity. Because every man where him would make him reach a foreign and him charm make him still there with that woman that to the day because him realize say, I'm my goal mine this, and my life this, me find, I'm not that shit for nobody. You ever see some man or some woman that the woman short and have the neck and she have some big belly in front of her and you say, yeah man, I must green card, green card, I love him, I'm married her for. Sometimes we look for some chrome pretty girl, some dolly. And when you check it out, the dolly rank. The dolly they ever like beard. And when you cuss the fat woman on top, but watch her, she big and sour and that woman the beard all 17 times. The way the woman they like beard as a passer, you say, no man, me that eat that woman your neck. One to that woman here, that woman that smells so good, big up the smell good woman them. The woman them one time you walk past them, I feel wonder where you wear. Enough time we are walk and I look for some things and pick, then we pick a big load of shit. Big load of shit we pick. So big up the smell good woman them we smell good. Big up on yourself. You understand? When you smell good. And one time when you go somewhere and big up the woman them we have a nice bag and you have everything in a nice bag there. You have the lotion in your bag. You have wipes in your bag. You have all Q-tip in your bag. You have nail clip in your bag. You have everything in that bag there. And you have your money differently in that bag there. Because when you go somewhere and go in that bag there and take out your pocketbook and go so. You understand? Somebody said, look like I go through that experience there. No, I've never been through that experience. But just use my name as an example. I've never been through anything like that. I never meet a mama yet where take me out of one situation and put me in a situation. I've never met that person before. I just shown how we man stay. We make a old role with. That's why I say big up the good woman them. We always talk say woman wicked, but if we talk about the good woman them, the woman them will come and meet a boy and change him life. Just big up on yourself and just know so you change a boy life already. Or if you change few boy life already. You see me? Big up on yourself. Don't bother, because them say hell has no fury like a woman's corn. See? Nobody make no boy make you just get bitter. Because I'm telling you this, when you get bitter, when I go get some wrinkle on the face, and on a nice face, I go just look old. I not go like that if on the face look old. I like when the face just look nice. Because I say when the face look old and wrinkle because you don't want to smile. You can make people make you stop smile. No make no boy or no girl make you stop smile. You big pretty smile you have. You have the back them on down the eye right so you can't sleep. You have to use all kind of face powder to try black it out. You know mad after you nice so. Red boom! You not idiot. Looking at the mirror and look how you're nice. You not all up on yourself. I'm telling you this, nobody all up on yourself. All people walk with stick and start smell like Vicks and blood clot. Somebody for something. You not all up on yourself and nobody at all. Medical spa, big up yourself. Boy, I'm not telling you like Pechina. I look by internet a while ago, I see it and one brown something. You look good. I'm not telling a lie. You look good, Pechina. I have to come see you and buy you a bulla. Zine, alright. Me the man always a big up the woman them, you know. Because you know, I see one potential and somehow no bitter and say one not do nothing for nobody. Don't follow no next woman and talk about one not do nothing for no man. Don't do that. Because when you say that, on a pick come some bad apple. Don't follow what them say one bad apple spoil the whole bunch. I lie that. Rika, remember a long time I don't see you. Me and you mash up. Remember I done it me. You go and go do your body and find new man and done it me. But it's alright. Everything good. Overdose ENT alongside fresh cut. Easy. Lord of His mercy. Zane, remember say, when I look on the internet and I see a post up and I look happy, I like it when I see have a big pretty smile on the face because I tell you, somehow you go through it. You deserve a smile again, man. Bad as thing be, man. You deserve a smile, man. You remember when time when you used to happy. You remember when you used to happy. Yeah, Lori. Remember say, you deserve a smile. Look how you smile pretty and nice. Done it in a latte. You're wicked. You not fight to smile, alright. I know say, some want to try with 3-4 man at Jamaica already and you say you done it Jamaica man. But you nah tell yourself you done it them. Try with another one to make it 5th man. 5th time is a charm, not 3rd time. 5th time is a charm. Don't know. You have a bitter breakup and someone who married a man and you bring him up a foreign and when you bring him up a foreign, the boy not an ambition. Because him get the 2-year green card and when him get the 2-year green card, you live in Atlanta and the boy move gone to Jacksonville. Boy move gone to Jacksonville pound. Because him want to look for him old childhood sweetheart. Zine. And him go find him old sweetheart and then she not no papers. Because him want to go save the old fire stick or rekindle. You never realize that nobody never love you until you never go near them yet. When you there for them never remember you. All of a sudden you not get high stranger. High stranger my blood clot. Stranger danger. Don't come high stranger me. Stranger danger. That me I give when me see you. Stranger danger. That me I give you. Stranger danger. You dirty blood clot. Don't come as stranger me no girl. What you feel like? Don't bother rekindle with me, you know. Nor kangle with me, you know. Done it there, you know. Stranger danger. That me I tell you no. Better light a candle and find a way to go and make your yard. And move. That me I tell you no. Because the woman them nice, man. Look how you sweet. Punchinella. Yeah, me not tell a lie. Big up on yourself, all of the big belly girl them. No no belly big. Big up the one them will snatch in your waist. Big up the one them will do the breasts. The one them will do the body. Big up on yourself. Have to big up on yourself. Me not tell a lie. I remember age is just a number. You know, so next month me have 45. See? Next month me have 45, you know. And me not tell a lie. I feel good. If you know say, when me did younger, me never know say me that live for say 40, much less 30. Zine? I remember one time going when they used to some people are 40. Yeah, say what kind of old people them look old. But if you go so bam and you look, you see enough of the youth them where drop out now, them are 20, them are 19, them are 18, them are, it's like we have to just love with life. August 22nd is a big holiday in Jamaica. You see me? So big up all who reach the 50 milestone. That's why I tell you so now to live on a life. Because I remember saying, no, gone are the days, you know. We never know so we da reach right so now have to love on the age. And if we don't get grandkids or if we don't get no grandkids and we have no children them and the children them pass the works, we have to just know so we have to give thanks. Because the greatest thing in the goal is to make your youth pass the worst. You know, grow your youth for your youth come take care of you, you know. Because you done can take care of yourself already, right? You done can take care of yourself already. So all your youth for come and take care of you. Me not teach my pitney them for come take care of me. I grow them for take care of themselves. See? So you have to know, so you have to just teach the youth them the right thing. And not for the bitter man them will still have up the woman them. Because the woman, you do the woman so much thing and the woman left you all of a sudden when the woman left you move on at them time they want to be the best man to her. Move! Your blood clot. The woman move on and happy. So Shelly, what go on? Yeah. Yeah, man, me go there. Me go there. Yeah. Alright. Yeah. Yeah, me I tell you no man. Remember say no. Let me tell you what one of our biggest problem. Marcia send from heaven. Want them next friend. Remember say from I come to England and she give me the chicken back soup. Yo God no, the woman catch me the chicken back soup. Yo God no, me do her in a life man. They got the whole of the people them what they all about over the world. You know, some respect all of you know. And I'm telling you this. You have some bitter man. You know, bitter bad, you don't like when the woman them happy. You don't like it. I don't know why. And some of the woman don't like when the man them happy neither. Lord, the man them make the man them happy. And if Lord, the woman them make the woman them happy. You and her never work out. And not care how much video you want to have where you and her did make one time when there. You better go and look upon them because make we talk. Nobody will do a video with not deleting it. Nobody. And when him have 40 more relationship, him not delete a video. Only way that video disappear out of him phone is less him phone lost and him not have him not have him Google backup something. Zine, him not delete it. So when time him remember you, him a look pan and I say, star, look pan, yo God, no look how me and the girl I used to good, yo God, no look how the girl mouth did nice. Look how this, look how that. Them not delete it. So when you are tell them about, yo, delete all my shit. Delete all my shit. Yes, me delete it. Me delete it. In my mind, but it not delete. Me have to look back on it. That the man I tell you. Man I look and I say memories, oh God knows that, look here, whoa, I'm ball. And I come try send you your video. After you're done with him. Remember you're done with the dirty man, you know. He might come send you a video about look how we used to good together. Yo, my baby mother, look here. God no star. I make you the best. Fuck them. Yo, God no look here how you ball when you get it. Boy, I just say. That was one time. My new man, he might do it the best now. And lick him with a piece of board. Poof in my head. When I lick him in my head and say, You don't want to see them video where I'm a new man I don't know. And then lick him chip. Cause I don't want to hear that. Hear you now. Why you still have my shit in your phone? Why do you still have my shit in your phone? Huh? I've moved on. It's been 6 fucking years. And you still have my shit in your phone. Miss Independent. You're one of them. Big up yourself. You're the good one. You don't take no picture, you don't have no video, you don't do nothing at all. You're the well old school one. You come like grandfather and granny days. If you want send a woman video talk about you not used to be the best. The girl just go somewhere with a piece of wood and get side. Move, my new man fuck me better than you. Move your little wood blood clot. Cause remember, the woman used to tell us say wood are the biggest wood she ever take. Now she start tell us say wood little. Move your little wood. Your wood soft, no blood clot. Move. Be a fake, I fake it when time me and you do it. Go and move your dirty, cheesy wood blood clot and lick you. Cause me say, she not want you. She done with you. She not gonna say nothing good for you feel good. But yes, you did good for you. Oh my God, whoa. Murder and ball. Eh? Oh, me make you used to be the wettest and me make you run like a river. Woman say, You never make me run like the river, you know. You never make me come here from me know you're drunk, bro. Right now, me hear your name, my skin crawl. You cranny. I don't know what me that do with you. Anytime you make a woman tell you something, I don't know what me did that do with you. She over you fully and done with you. She don't want to see you. The woman hear your name and get upset. You mash up. The woman say me wet. Move limpy, shrimpy, dimpy. Say, clad, you don't down wicked to mansa, man. Easy, Gary J. On wicked to mansa. What me not tell a lie? Big up on yourself. Big up the lady. Big up the big woman. Because I need young girl, you know. One thing I want to stop though, as females, don't try to put yourself in a young girl's shoes. You live your young days already. You have to accept the fact that you are of age now. You are more experienced. Them things with them little girl you do now, you have to just make them go and do them thing. Don't try to compete with them. Because you're going to mash up yourself. Your mind going to tell you say, you can't do cartwheel, you can't do wheelbarrow, you can't do the things them same way. But your body will tell you a different thing. Don't broke up yourself for no hood. But just I say, we have to do different things. Just stick to the basic. You understand? Stick to the basic. Nobody follow nobody. Just know say you had a good time and in a year time like back in 2015 and back in 2004 and you know you used to go on. You used to go on. But now when you hear discuss a back road girl stuck it with the insure, you have to try use insure and suck wood and it go down in your nose nearly drown you. Look how you're nearly dead. Look how the insure go down in your nose and nearly drown you, girl. Look how you got suck wood with the insure upon the bed and mask it down with them and nearly bite out the wall of your crutches. Eh? Because you say back road girl. You a back road girl? Me say if you're a back road girl, you're a back road girl. Look how the something going in your nose. Look how big a little fine bum come up on your front now because ants bite up your pussy. Just because you want to be back road girl, suck it with the insure. You have to know you're limited. You have to know it. You have to know your limit, man. You have to know your limit, man. Because you know, say, I know your thing that. Yeah, you try a little thing, but you have to go kill off yourself, man. You try to handstand and I go up on your hand. Look how your hands spray now and you tell people say, I lick up your hand. Yeah, boy, you give man wheelbarrow. Your wheelbarrow days done. A wheelchair you do now, if you do now. We had wheelbarrow about. Wheelchair you fi do. A rocking chair. Look how your hand go spray now. Eh? You slip, lick up your neck, now you have to wear neck brace and your hand spraying. Everything boy you spraying. You're spraying up. What's up, Sophie? No, me hear the whole of the old girl them bout. And every girl I get wild out tonight. If she so cocky, me I find out tonight. Here are the big blood clot 50-year-old woman I come talk about she a rat bat. And if me call you a rat bat, you bex. Eh? One night time now, you know. Eh? The big 50-year-old woman, you know. Oh, me fi call you a rat bat. Oh, God. Hey, you know what I'm saying? I done it, you know. I done it, you know. Me done it for you, man. Me done it, man. Me not tell a lie. Me done it, man. Darius, what do you mean, me road? Me not road. Darius, me not road, Darius. That's just the truth. Alright. Darius, you know what I say here? Yeah, me look a friend who come on where you don't like some of the things that I say, but all of these things that I'm saying is factual. You understand? This factual wherein it's I believe it's a self-esteem issue. I believe that it is that like some of we as big tough man, we are 50 now. We are going like first thing we start do, we are wear pants them like the young boy them a show with boxers. Or the blood clot me a 50 and a show and underpants a show. Why me if I show everybody what kind of boxers me have on? Eh? Cause my mind I tell me say a young boy no more than me. Me have to know say me up in a age. Me a dinosaur you know. Eh? My pitney them a big 20-year old. And me now. See me a drop. Me a wear pants when I have no belt. Me a wear pants when I have no belt. Who the fuck I think I am? Eh? Oh, that feel look cute. Who me a try impress? Now must look a young rat back them. I have to look a young rat back them. Cause there is no way. No good, nice woman go see me with my underpants a show. And say, oh, she think that's cute. Oh my God, he's wearing a Ralph Lauren. Oh my God, he has on a Hanes boxers. Oh my God. He has on a Versace underwear. I saw NBA young boy. Me don't know none of NBA young boy sang them. Me don't know none. Only thing me know though, me and you now go have sex and me a listen. Jesus take the wheel. Me know say that now go work. You now go hear me a sing that them song there and I talk about someone asks a question. Why do we sing? It never happen. Me know definitely say. Me might all, but me no call. We never listen that. We never listen that. And I listen, can't even walk without you holding my hand. The mountain is too high. And see me, and the valley is too warm. Down on my knees. No. Me can't listen to them there. Me have to listen. She love turn back way. Can't take the pictures of the pum here. That man here, I look. Me have to go in it. Eh? Your pussy make him have to come home. Tell her you alone. You don't put the cocky like a you have to your throne. Be your body and your breast. Try not, and your body never made. Try not, to the balance for your head. Nah, and them me have to listen. Blood clot me come talk about. Jesus take the wheel. No. Fuck song me have to listen. I come listen to Freddie McGregor about, I don't mind when you say that you're going away. Just don't want to be lonely. I can't listen to that. Hey, Mr. Supervisor, think I'm gonna call in sick. Can't leave my woman like this. No, you're mad. Me have to listen to Buju. Buju, did you come check me? Me know where she want. Head up on the money where you have to sit around. Water man to do the water work. Will come. Put on 2 Dovey Magnum. Make my pussy wet. And them something there. And you know say, me have to have a catalog of spice. Me have to have a spice. You know what I feel like me I come listen to old song, you idiot. We not listen to old song, we have to have vibes. Probably my good alt is, you want me to pit in your mouth too. You dirty whore. Probably them song me have to go play, cause you gonna tell me something boring if me I go listen Berry song, Boris Gardner, Freddie McGregor and Ken Booth. You don't want to hear them something there? You want to hear, you want me to pit in your mouth too. You dirty whore. You pay your throat. You slap your throat. And that you want me to play. You don't want to hear no Barrington Levy. Too experienced to be taken for stroke. You don't want to hear that. You don't want to hear that. Dance off your keep when we are doing it. Want you. We didn't ever know so we don't hear a song like that. That's the truth. Anyone that we did ever know so we did ever hear a song say you want me to pit in your mouth, you dirty word too. Anyone that we did ever know so we did ever hear a song like that? We never had the things that did cartel slap Mr. Freak in his book. That's the truth. Me never know some either hear a song like that. Every 20 song when me I hear now, me I fuck somebody girl. Girl a suck me out on the toll road. In a V6, in a Mark X. Like, them nowadays people here where I fuck. Them now fuck to them now fuck them own a girl, people girl them a fuck. And them now fuck in a bed again. Them days they done a be in a car them a fuck. Anyway, people, I can't stay with you no longer. I have to go carry my child to work. So, I just go and hold tight and make sure you hold tight. I hope you have a nice weekend. Seeing? You don't know all of the single girl them. Make sure you put in extra battery. And when you roast tonight, I want to drink a glass of red wine or, you know, a glass of whatever. You understand? Make sure, you know, take care of yourself. And just enjoy the day. And make sure you have a great Friday. Seeing? Respect and manners.